Is your Wavlink docking station not turning on? First, ensure your host device like a laptop provides sufficient power, at least 60 watts minimum. Many power issues stem from inadequate power delivery from the device. Next, check the USB-C cable. Use a certified USB-C cable rated for the required speed like USB 3.2 Gen 2 for 10 Gbps and look for EMARC certification. Cheap or damaged cables can cause power failures due to resistance. Also, inspect the USB-C port on your device for wear. Repeated plugging can degrade the port, leading to connection issues that prevent power delivery. A steady power LED indicates active power delivery, while blinking suggests a fault. Check this to diagnose the issue. Use Wavelink's Diagnostic Tool app for Windows or Mac to detect power delivery negotiation failures, which can prevent the dock from powering on. If possible, test the dock with a known good USB-C port to isolate whether the issue is with the port or a loose connection. If basic checks fail, update your Wavlink docking station's firmware using the Wavlink app. Firmware updates like V1 2.3 resolve power-on failures caused by USB-C PD protocol mismatches, improving compatibility with USB Power Delivery 3.1 devices. These updates resolve issues in WLUH307A and WLUH4K models. Emerging trends include backward compatibility and AI diagnostics. Looking ahead, future USB standards like USB 4.2 promise universal PD compatibility. Tech experts emphasize cable quality and PD compatibility. Using certified EMARCed cables is critical.